Hello everyone and welcome to Neil Explains 15 divided by 1 by 5 times 5. Many fail to solve in a right way. This is our common problem that many are failing to solve. And if you are smart enough to solve this, then comment your answer and get featured here in the shortcut list. If you have commented earlier videos, then check out your name here. These are top commenters. So we can solve 15 divided by 1 by 5 times 5, 5 times 1, 5 times 1, and 15 divided by 1, which equals to 15. And you are thinking like this is the right answer, then this is not the right answer. We will follow here the PEMDAS. Okay. So according to PEMDAS, multiplication and division has the same criteria, and here two operations are there, that is division and multiplication. So we have to operate from left to right. So first we have to operate this division. So we will rewrite our question here. 15 divided by 1 by 5 times 5. We have to operate this. And here we can see there is fraction of 1 by 5. So better use the KCF. When we use KCF, keep change flip, we will keep 15 as it is, and this division will be changed to multiplication, and we will flip down that 1 by 5 into 5 by 1 times 5. Now you can simply write 15 times 5 times 5. Okay, or you can say 15 times 5, which equals to 75 times 5, which equals to 375. So here right answer is 375 and not actually 15. Okay. So, and if you're seniors, then must check out our best product only for you in the description. You can check out all our Amazon affiliates, and this will help me to grow my channel. So please help. And thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.